Hi everyone and welcome to today's video on the Ethereum white paper. Today, we're going to discuss the basics of Ethereum and the technology that underpins it. I'm sure by now you've heard of Ethereum and its potential to revolutionize the way we use the internet. But before we can really understand what makes Ethereum so special, we need to look at the technology that makes it possible. So let's dive in. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source platform that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications known as dApps. It uses a blockchain network to store data and facilitate transactions between users. Ethereum is also the world's second-largest cryptocurrency, after Bitcoin. What is the Ethereum white paper? The Ethereum white paper is the foundational document of the Ethereum project. It was written by Vitalik Buterin in 2013 and outlines the technical details behind the Ethereum blockchain. The white paper explains how Ethereum works, how it is different from Bitcoin, and how developers can use the Ethereum platform to create their own decentralized applications. What are the key points of the Ethereum white paper? The key points of the Ethereum white paper include: Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source platform that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications. Ethereum is powered by its own cryptocurrency, Ether, which is necessary to power the Ethereum network. Ethereum is secured by a proof-of-work algorithm, which rewards miners for verifying transactions. Ethereum has its own Turing-complete programming language, which allows developers to write smart contracts and other complex applications. Ethereum has a built-in decentralized virtual machine, which allows developers to deploy and execute their applications on a global, distributed network. What are the benefits of Ethereum? The benefits of Ethereum include: Ethereum offers a secure, transparent, and immutable platform for developers to build applications. Ethereum enables developers to create complex applications in a fraction of the time and cost of traditional web applications. Ethereum is open source, which means anyone can use and build upon the platform. Ethereum is decentralized, which ensures that no single entity can control the network. Ethereum's Ether cryptocurrency incentivizes miners to secure the network and verify transactions. Conclusion: The Ethereum white paper is a comprehensive document that outlines the technical details of the Ethereum platform. It is the foundation of the Ethereum project and has enabled developers to build powerful and secure decentralized applications. The Ethereum white paper is a must-read for anyone interested in understanding the technology behind the Ethereum platform. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the Ethereum white paper. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please leave a comment in the comments section below. Until next time, happy learning!